Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie Foster, and today I will discuss language and literacy development and how understanding linguistic components helps educators support young learners. The first component is phonology, which is the study of speech words, sounds. For example, children recognize that cat and hat rhyme. Phonological skills support phonemic awareness and early reading development. The second component is morphology, which refers to meaningful word parts such as prefixes, suffixes, and root words. For example, the word unhappy contains the prefix un, meaning not. Morphology helps students understand vocabulary and decode unfamiliar words. The third component is syntax, which refers to the rules of sentence structure. A sentence such as the dog ran fast allows correct syntax, but ran dog the fast does not. Syntax supports reading comprehension and writing. The fourth component is semantics, which focuses on word meaning. Students who understand vocabulary are better able to comprehend text and communicate effectively. The final component is pragmatics, which involves the social use of language. Examples include taking turns in conversations and understanding how language changes in different situations. Understanding these linguistic components is especially important when working with students with exceptionalities. Some students may experience difficulties with speech, sounds, vocabulary, sentence structure, or social communication. When teachers understand these areas, they can provide targeted support and intervention. 3 research-based strategies include explicit vocabulary instruction, phonological awareness activities such as sound sorting games, and morphology word study activities that teach prefixes and suffixes. These strategies help students build language skills that support reading and writing success. Why is it important to understand linguistic components while supporting students with exceptionalities? Understanding phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics is essential for supporting students with exceptionalities because difficulties in any of these areas can negatively affect language, reading, writing, and communication development. For example, a student with a phonological processing difficulty may struggle to hear and manipulate sounds and words, making it challenging to learn phonics and decode text. A student with weaknesses in semantics may have limited vocabulary, which can impact reading comprehension. Students with autism spectrum disorder may experience challenges with pragmatics, affecting their ability to participate in conversations and understand social communication cues. When teachers understand these linguistic components, they can identify students' strengths and needs, provide targeted interventions, and create differentiated instruction that supports academic success and meaningful communication. Early identification and support help students develop the language skills necessary for literacy achievement and lifelong learning. The research-based instructional strategies, explicit vocabulary instruction, semantics. Teachers should directly teach important vocabulary words using student-friendly definitions, visual supports, examples, and opportunities for repeated practice. Reading aloud and discussing vocabulary